Click on ISE Design Suite 14.2, hit OK. Now go to File and select New Project. You have to give the name of the file. Go to the location. Give the name of the project and you have to select this HDL over here. Hit Next. So here are some project setting that is required to set up before doing the Verilog coding. So we are using the Spartan 3 FPGA and the device that we have to select that is XE3S200. And the package is FT256. Where we are using the simulator, that is the ISim simulator, and we are using the language that is Verilog. Click Next. Here is the project summary. Click Finish. Select Implementation. Select Project, New Source. Click on the Verilog module and give a name, file name, that is n_gate 1. Click Next. Here you can define input and output. Since we are using AND gate, so here we have 2 input and 1 output. So you can give a variable name like A, B or Z and you will select as a output. It is not necessary to give a name over here. You can define it in the Verilog coding as well. But if you want to give a name, you can give a name over here as well. Click Next and Finish. So here is the screen that you have to write the Verilog code over here. You can use like assign Z is equals to A and B. Since it is known as the data flow modeling. Now you will click on synthesize, double click on that and click yes. Now it shows that there is no syntax error. Now click on view RTL schematic. Okay. Now you click on add create schematic. This is the AND gate. Now it's time to simulate your design. So you have to click on simulation and project, new source. Click on the Verilog test fixture. Here you will give a name over here. Then after click on next and finish. So by default here we have A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 0, and this hash 100 means it's a 100 nanosecond delay. Now you will perform simulation on ISim simulator. Now you have to check the behavioral checks and checks. Click on that first. Now you will click on simulate behavioral model. A separate window will open. Well, here the values that you are providing, that is a is equals to 0, b is equals to 0, so therefore z would be 0. Now what you have to do, that you have to provide different inputs so that you can check the output by providing different inputs over here. So a is equals to 0, b is equals to 1, and giving 100 nanosecond delay. Given 100 nanosecond, you can provide 500 nanosecond as well. It's up to you. Now again, you have to simulate this model as well. Right click on the behavioral check syntax and click on rerun. Again, right click on that and click run, and after that you have to simulate. Click on simulate behavioral model. Now you can see different output by applying different inputs. The inputs are A and B, and Z is the output. You can slide it over here to check it. You can see that A1, B0, so Z is equals to 0. When A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1, so Z is equals to 1. Now you have successfully simulated your AND gate.